Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a very special video because today we are not going to do what we usually do, which is tutorial. So today it's an unboxing video. So you might probably know that in the previous video that I posted that my sister bought me a hook, and she actually bought me another package, which is the rainbow loom pens, and I'm very excited about it.
So, as you can see, this is a very big package. This is my hand. This is so big. This is bigger than I thought. I'll show you what's inside. So, let's just open it right away. I'm really excited about this. It just arrived. And I grabbed my camera immediately because I want to show you guys what's inside. I guess I'm going to open it. Shout out to my sister. She bought me this package here, this massive package. Okay, this is what's inside. And you guys probably wonder, because the background is kind of different than usual, because I'm setting up my table for this specific video. So we're gonna open this first one.
It says the Loom refill pack neon. So this is what I got. This is the Loom refill pack neon, and it has so many different colors in here.
Came with the newest clip, which is the easy clip. Let's just open it.
Okay, first we got this newest easy clip. Let's see. Yep, this is the easy clip. Okay, next we got this black. Yep. Then we got this white. And then this pink.
Wait, hold on. I'm not good at making an unboxing video, so yeah, bear with me, guys. I wonder if there's a description on what color am I having, but yeah.
These are the colors. I'm just going to show you guys one by one, even though I don't know the name of the color. But this is what I got. Next is this.
These are so beautiful, guys. I got this. Is this the same color? I think it's not. It's not, guys. It's a different color.
Next is this.
Oh my god.
Okay, next is this, but it's open somehow, I don't know. But yeah, it's fine. And this is the 8th color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Next, this color.
I've never had this so much variations of color.
And this is so pretty. And it's kind of different on camera, but it's really pretty, you guys. This is the next one. Oh my god. And then these two. It looks kind of similar on the camera, but it's different. Next is this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm just gonna keep showing you guys the colors because I don't know the name of the colors. So yeah. I've never had yellow. This is my first time having yellow. And there it is. That's the pens for the Loom refill pack neon. So we have 22 different colors in total. And this is the Loom. This is my first time having an Loom, and I'm excited to try it. Okay.
This is interesting, actually. Okay.
Let's see the next one. This is the Loom refill pack pastel.
I'm really sorry if the video is not organized, because I've never done a unboxing before. It's so pretty, you guys.
This easy clip. Okay, next, first color.
What we got here, this is a very pretty color. This is the first color, so I think it's it has 22 different colors again for this pack here.
This is the first color. This is the next color. These are the other two things that I got. This is the fifth one. It's a very beautiful purple. This is the sixth, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I love this color. I really love it. 19, 20, next 20, 21, 21st. This is a clear band. I've never had a clear band. God, this is so pretty. This is the last one, the 22nd color. And it's white. This is the instruction guide. And of course the Loom.
These are the packages or the bands that I received on this package. As you guys can see, this is so many, and this is so exciting. Can't wait to make new bracelets with this here.
So I think that's it for this video, and I'm really sorry if I'm not good at making this type of video because I've never done this before. And yeah, big thanks to my sister for buying this massive package for me. Thank you so much. I'm really happy right now. Yeah, I think that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.